the first video. So we're gonna cut open this. We're just gonna be like, who cares about this though? Can't cut.
It's my grandson. He's very creative. Oh,
I think you're gonna have to do it. I can't do it. Oh, we can just do this.
no, that won't work. Here,
Oh,
here. Video. Here.
Okay, I'll hold it. I know the box fell over. Cut that open. Cut it. Cut. We gotta cut this one.
Well, one thing we can say, they don't want anybody taking any of these cars.
Yeah, I'm a
moving.
die cast. No wonder. Die cast.
Moving them.
The die cast cars. Okay.
I think one come out, buddy.
Okay. So here we got one car. Ooh, this car looks nice.
I love
This car
that
looks
one, man.
really nice. It's a nice looking Hummer. We got the light bars at the top.
VW.
Light bars. Cool looking light bars. Now, let's check if the opening doors actually work. I don't think this one has opening doors. You can see that looks like it's been sealed shut. Oh, because it's on the other side. No wonder. There it is. Whoa. Is there a family in there? Don't see a family. Okay, no one's living in this Hummer.
These are.
Cool looking Hummer though.
I should have got.
Okay, everyone in the bus.
Scissors.
Everyone in the bus. Do. Boom. They drove off the cliff. They're done now. Now we got this car. He's like, bye-bye. Let's check if this one has opening doors. This one? Opening doors. Let me see if the other side has opening. And both sides has opening doors. This is my favorite truck.
Ooh, I love that one.
Comments down below which is your favorite. Which is your favorite car? So we got this car. I don't even know what it's called. And we got this car.
Off-road. Just off-road truck.
It's just off-road trucks, and it doesn't make any sense.
I know they're all off-road. Sorry.
They're all off-road. Oh God, the sun. What? Look at that. It has a big scratch mark in there.
Where they're on this rock, right? Because you wanted to open them on the rock, baby.
I know, but I don't care. It looks better now. And we got this truck. See, these are all the trucks. Comment down below which one of these trucks, all of these trucks, is your favorite. You have to comment down below which one is your favorite. We got the
VW
van,
bus.
and then we got an awesome looking medical truck. And then we got a Denton truck. But this one looks like a Ram.
Ooh, cool.
Okay, he decided to say bye-bye. So you got to say bye-bye.
Yeah, this is Dodge Ram truck.
Yeah, that's a Dodge Ram. And this one?
Is a Chevrolet.
This one is a... You have to read that.
It's a Ford. Yep.
This is a Chevrolet.
This is a Ford.
This looks like an old
F-250.
Chevrolet.
Yep. Yep.
Okay,
I don't
you're
know.
supposed to say bye-bye.
I know. I don't think this is going to turn out, grandson, because it's
He
too
doesn't
bright.
like it. He doesn't like it. He hates this spot. So let's just say
Oh.
bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
We're going to have to go do it back up in the shade, baby.
Yeah, I know we're probably going to have to go in the shade. We're going to leave these trucks here. Oh no, let me see the shade. Yeah, I'm going to get the other trucks and see if we can get a better one.
Now, sorry about that video quality. It was all shady, and then the sun come back out. So we're reviewing these 4x4 Rebels off-road collection by Maisto.
I got all the other trucks. And I set them on the floor, and then they don't care about these trucks. They don't care about these trucks. And these
Okay.
are die-cast cars, so we gotta need to take real good you don't want to cut this table. Can't open.
There you go. What do you say about trash?
No littering.
No worrying either.
So I should probably get to that after the video.
Yep.
I'm going to leave it for now. And here. This, we got another car. And which one is your favorite out of these? Oh no, I forgot. They have these in the other one. Okay, I'll be right back. Now you gotta cut out all of them.
There he goes. He left a few things in the yard. He's a great kid, see?
This is littering.
No littering, yes.
They have not littering anymore.
Nope. We'll put it in the trash bag, won't we?
Wait, what?
They not have cones?
I think I got a lost one. I do not know where they went.
Well, we'll go back and look for
I'm
those.
gonna pack over there. And
Yeah, start opening these.
okay, but it's been bent and I don't really care. I took non-good care. Litter. They got flat. This one has a flat bottom.
Cool, they all do.
Oh look, I don't know what that was. Oh no, we need scissors. Scissors are here to help. Now we gotta chop. Gotta chop these up. I bad goodness.
You want Nana?
Here. Yep, I have the horriblest strength ever.
Okay.
Probably the weakest person in the whole world.
Here. Nana.
I'm gonna show your face. I'm gonna show your face. And here we have the other cars. We have this one, the mean one, the one who just wants to get out of here. See, that's what you get. And this one, he's shy. He just wants to get out of here. And this one, he's the nice one. He's the one that wants a treat. He's a dog. He's a dog. And I got this one. I think he's just a regular truck. Oh, I got this one. One who's always angry because he has a big fat dent. Get a close up in that dent. Probably can't see it. It's really blurry. Got a big dent. Big dent. He's upset. Gotta bring these ones back. And I think the other cars are ready. Oh, they just got two. So we got this one, another Ram. Get a close up on his. You can't see his face. So we got a Ram truck. This time, this one has the light bar. Wait, they both have a light bar. I'm wrong. Okay. So we got another duplicate. Then we don't have a duplicate because this truck. I think this one might be a second favorite. Wait, it's a duplicate again. No, it's not. Oh God, I sneezed. Okay, now your turn to hold the camera.
Look on back, I'll tell you what kind they are. Ford, Chevy.
I think this one might be my favorite.
What's that?
My favorite. I'm just gonna leave these.
Let me see the top. Yeah.
So which one out of these is your favorite?
Let's see. Yellow one. Look, there's the Ford.
So then we have two duplicates. We got these two duplicates.
White one.
And then we have this truck.
Is it a Ford or a Chevy?
This, I think it's Chevy. Look, you can even see the front. We
Yeah.
got a Chevy. This is another Chevy. You can can even see.
Cool.
This one's kind of. I said which one was your favorite.
What's the red one?
The red one. I said already.
Dodge Ram.
Oh no. Oh. Just this one. I'm gonna name this one Pothole.
This is a Ford.
And this one, I'm gonna name this one Flame. And this one, there is a big red. And then we're gonna name this one. Nothing.
Come over
We're
this.
gonna name this one Field Tank. And then we're gonna name another one. Because this one we all been naming.
So how many do you have all together, bud?
Huh. From my count, 5 plus 5 equals 9.
You silly goose.
It actually equals 11.
Oh, silly
I feel
goose.
like I'm getting closer. 1. That's what it was. I have 1 altogether. Wait, it was him?
Yes.
Oh, dang, I'm done. I'm gonna kill myself. Yeah. This okay, I'm never gonna.
Yeah, don't say that.
But really.
Okay, line them all
never
up.
kill yourself in life.
Yeah.
Nope. Bad.
Bad.
If you
All right.
want to live your life and have a great life, like I am. Yeah.
One last, round them all up. We'll look at all of them.
And this is what you gotta do. Litter. All these trucks. How many minutes was this video?
12.
Oh, we're over 15. We'd be dead.
Okay, hurry.
It's in the video when we start.
Line them up, buddy.
We got all the trucks, and we got all the trucks, and we got all the trucks. Oh, we got one. Look at this one. Oh, wait, never mind. This one got it. Yep. Okay, so in the comments below, which one is your favorite? We got all these trucks to pick out. And all these trucks need to watch out. There's cones everywhere. Cones in the potholes. Cones. We got cones.
Chevy, another Ford, Dodge Ram, Ford,